previous plugin, Smart BBPress nVerify, was used to protect BBPress Power forums and allow access to users that have valid purchase codes for items sold on Envato network. This new plugin is made to protect content from posts, pages, and any other post type. But this plugin can't be used for forums because of the specifics BBPress has in this regard. So Smart BBPress nVerify plugin can work with this one together. They can share users and their purchase codes, but they protect different types of content in WordPress. To get started with this plugin, you need to enter information about main author account. And save. Plugin will verify and save this information. Now we go to settings panel to set up the plugin. And here you will find list of post types that are publicly available. So they have interface and they have posts and archives visible from the front end. Here is the list. For each post type, you can choose mode of protection and user roles that will have unrestricted access to these posts. So obviously you want administrators to be able to see all the content. For this test, we will use first this method, protect content, comments, and comment form, and show excerpt. You can enable revalidation similar to BBPress nVerify plugin, so that purchase codes are verified every 7 days or whatever period you want, to make sure that purchase codes are not revoked due to a refund or purchase reversal. Also, very important thing is to have a single code unique for a single user. It is not required, but it should be so. Also, you can add item columns to post panel you are using protection for, and you can also add integration with the bulk editor. Also, you can enable multiple authors, and in that case you will need to enter account and AIP key for individual items if you want them to belong to other account other than main account. Okay, if you now go to posts panel, you will see a new column for Envato items, and you can now assign items to this panel. Since we have some tutorials here, we will filter this by tutorial category, and we will assign some items here. You can assign Envato item IDs directly for each post. You have it here. You can add item ID. You can add more than one ID here. But also you can use bulk editor. So if you want to assign IDs to more than one post at once, you can do that also. Select few posts and use bulk edit. You can see here options for Envato items. You can add, let's say, these two items here. You can also use different options to remove IDs or to replace them. And now, to get access to content from one of these posts, your users need to have a license for one of these plugins. You can always make changes directly for individual posts. So we can remove this one. And if you as an administrator look at this post, you will see it normally as always. But visitors will see something different. Okay, now that we have this protected, if you look at this, you will see something like this. Since we selected the options to show excerpt, you will see the short excerpt from this post and information that this post is protected. We will log in now as a regular user. And now post looks like this. So you need to enter a valid purchase code for this Smart Tabber widget plugin. If your user doesn't know how to get the code, here is the information about it. It's hidden by default to take less space. Okay, now we can see how different protection methods look like. Uh, we will switch to this basic protection, and that will show you only this form for entering the code. Later we'll see how the manual protection works. So now we need to enter a code. If you enter an invalid code, you will get information about that. And now to enter a valid code, and that's it. You now have access to this post. Back to the plugin administration panel. On the customers tab, you will see the list of all registered purchase codes, and you can check out information about each one. You also have options for quick verification of purchase code here. And you will see if the code is valid and if the code is for your item at all. Automatic protection of posts by this plugin is not straightforward as it was with BBPress plugin, since BBPress uses own templates loading that allows you to replace only parts of the content. But in this case that's impossible, since each team can have different templates for single posts that can work totally differently. So plugin relies on filters to replace actual content of the post, but a lot of content on post page will remain because it's not directly content related. So for instance, if you scroll down here, you will see some meta information about these posts, and you will see navigation for this post, because this is not part of content, it's a part of the template. So the best way to ensure that maximum content protection is in place here is to manually change templates in your team to include the protection code. Developers guide contains information about functions you need to use, an example of how to modify one of the default WordPress themes. Here is the template used by this team to display post content. So we will modify it with code for manual protection. With this function, we will check if the post should be protected. If that's true, we will load a protection template. If not, we will display the content normally. Now we need to switch protection to manual. And if we reload page, you will get a better looking protection page because you don't see anything that shouldn't be there. And of course, this allows you to modify this template further and to include accept information or whatever you need with the protection template, or you can edit the protection template on its own. So with this plugin, you can quickly protect your posts, your custom posts, from unauthorized use and require purchase codes from your own Envato sold items, so that you can protect documentation, tutorials, or any other content that is meant for users with valid purchase code only. Plugin can work together with smart BBPress and nVerify to uh, control access to forums and share purchase codes between these two plugins.